Tingin mo ba sapat na kung meron lang silang limited na budget for, say for example 5 or 10K, may mare-recommend ka ba sa kanila? "Ito bang 10K na 'to, ma-maximize ko na 10K na 'to, sapat na ba 'to para makakuha ako ng ganitong amount na leads or it matters sa dadaanan?"
So with that, syempre most of them start up, no? Ganyan talaga yung budget. When it comes to marketing kasi, when it comes to ads, the higher the budget, the better always.
Yes, of course.
Oo.
Mhm.
Kasi si Facebook, 'di ba free siya? So
Yes,
paano kumikita si Facebook? Through ad
through
spend.
ads.
Exactly. That's the bias. Kaya most of the time, top teams are top teams because they have massive budget. Ang lead na nakukuha mo sa 10,000 pesos is 50 leads. Pag 1 million yan, ilang multiplier yan. So going back kung 10,000 or 5,000 yung budget, let's say ganyan na talaga yung puhunan natin, I suggest, no, before you run ads, mag-aral na lang kayo muna ng ads.
Okay.
Yung fandom mo na nun, iaral nyo muna sa isang course na somehow credible na para matutunan nyo siya kahit paano.